guys, welcome back. Today we're making some New Year's crack. It's gonna be super fun and delicious, and it's so easy to make. So, let's get baking. We're gonna start by generously spraying down a sheet pan lined with parchment paper. And then we'll evenly fill the sheet pan with saltine crackers, salt side down. Now in a pot, we're going to melt 1 cup of butter. Once it's melted, we're going to add in 1 cup of packed brown sugar, and we'll stir this constantly over medium-high heat and cook it until it reaches a soft crack temperature. Now we'll have to work pretty fast and pour and spread this as evenly as possible over the saltine crackers. And then we'll bake this at 425 degrees for 3 to 5 minutes. As soon as the crack comes out of the oven, you're going to spread 1.5 cups of chocolate chips over it, and once it melts from the heat, you'll spread it over evenly, and then top with gold holiday sprinkles. Next, you'll chill and cut before serving. So here's the final product. It is some really delicious crack, and it's especially good because I made the toffee right, and this is dark chocolate instead of semi-sweet, so it's got extra little richness to it. So let's take a bite here. But it's so good. I think 1 piece would be enough for me because that chocolate is very rich. But it's delicious, it's crunchy, it's sweet but salty. It's just really delicious. So that's gonna be it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe to see more baking videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Happy New Year! Here's the final product. It is some really delicious crack. So let's try.
Liza. Go.
Ah! It's gonna be super fun and delicious, and it's so easy. It's phenomenal. It's so good. And it's so easy to make. So let's get baking. It's phenomenal. Oh. We gotta hurry. Whoa.
You said we didn't have to hurry.
Yeah, I do.